So it's 10:30 in the morning. I'm being invited along on pretty much a press junket. Some of the finest motorcycle journalists in the country. Is that right? Yeah, see? They're not very enthusiastic, are they? And we're going to go and tear up some tarmac. We'll see how we go. And this is going to be a nice change for me because last time I was on a Royal Enfield was in Braj Bhumi, which is south of Delhi, and chaotic, whereas we're going up to Christmas Hills. Beautiful. See how the day goes.
Ride the range day. We've got the whole bunch. There's Mallory. Mal, what's going on? What are we doing today?
Today we're out riding the range, just showing all our esteemed journalists. Yep. Invited all our esteemed journalists, but they couldn't make it, so these guys came to test a lot of different models in our range and show the diversity of the brand, basically.
Yeah, for sure. I've just been on the Scram, the Himalayan. I really want to jump on the Interceptor 650 just because I like riding it. But yeah, riding bikes with my mates. Pretty good.
What I loved about these bikes so far is the fact that it's really easy to ride. And my one thought, the overarching thought is, for the speed limits that we have now in Australia, they are perfect. You don't feel under pressure. You're not going to be breaking any speed limits and getting fined. You're just enjoying the bike and rolling that throttle on and off.
Stopping for lunch, I went the gnocchi. Us journos do it tough, you know, it's really hard out here on these streets. Managed to ride, I'd say most of the range already. I still think the Interceptor 650 is my favourite. It's just such a cruisy thing, but also the Conti GT, it's more cafe racer sibling, was a lot of fun. You can really tuck in on it, you know. Feels pretty cool, and it looks great in that black and white colour scheme, I reckon. I think that's the pick of the bunch. So, more riding.
This is a weary wrap of the ride in the ranges. We've had a fabulous day, but tell you what, I'm tired now. I can feel it in the bones, but really impressed with all the models. My favourite, the Interceptor and the Continental GT. Love how they both feel. And just actually skipping out from country roads into the city, so easy to ride. Just, you know, nice feel, nice and smooth, easy gear changes. Really enjoyed it. Time to buy one, I think. What do you reckon?
Kind of wanted to keep riding, to be honest. Still, Interceptor's my favourite. You can beat that thing. It's like a motorcycle. And
that's it. Yeah, cut.